Wind chimes. Wind chimes are tubular bells typically in groups of 6 tubes tuned to a pentatonic scale. There are more than 18 various pentatonic scales, each one spreading a particular environment. Wind chimes can be hung outdoors, where they will be activated by the wind. If you put them above points where energy lines intersect, at the heart-man crossings as I discussed above, they will have an enhancing result on the spot in addition to on neighboring energy points. Their results travel down an energy line as if it were a tube. There are various energy effects connected to the different pentatonic scales.